everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am exploring this beautiful, newly discovered secret pink lake here in Ras Al Khaimah. We only found out about this a couple of weeks ago and it looked so beautiful. We had to come and explore. Now, I wasn't convinced that it was actually going to be pink, but it really is a natural pink lake. So the lake is actually pink because it has natural algae inside it, and apparently it used to have a lot more water in it, and recently, as it's got a bit warmer, the water has subsided and that has let the natural algae inside the bottom of the lake come more to the surface, and that's what gives it its pink tinge. I think there's also quite a lot of salt. I think it's quite like saline saturated water. That was hard to say. And those combined just make it look so beautiful. And it's really quiet. There is not many people here. It's on an island. I need to check the name. I will pop the name down here. Just checking the drone regulations for the area. I think a lot of people, from what I've seen, have been flying drones here, but we want to make sure that it's totally legal and that it's okay to do so. And yeah, let's get some stunning footage from above. So I'm having a nice beach walk with this beautiful beach, and Dan is smashing the Jeep through the water. If I turn around, you might be able to see him. There he is. I'm sure he's about to spin it around and go through the sea again. The car is trashed. Our little guy that cleans the car at our villa with no water, he's not going to be cleaning the car tomorrow or tonight. No way. It is absolutely covered in salt water and sand and mud. I feel like it's been so long since we did anything like this. Just came and played, and honestly, oh my god, the car is literally underwater. Yeah, literally just been and played and just had some fun, and there is so much space to do that here. My car, everybody. Thank you guys so much for joining me on this mini adventure here in Ras Al Khaimah. I hope you enjoyed seeing some of the more hidden parts of the UAE. There's definitely more of these videos to come. So please, if you did like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys again very soon. Thanks for watching.